Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide active status on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Here, tap on these three horizontal lines in your top right corner. This will take you to the settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on messages and story reply. As you can see, here we get the option of who you can see when you're online. So tap on show activity status. Both these toggles off. By doing this, your activity status will be turned off and no one can see you online. This will disallow all accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on the Instagram app. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.